This is Module 3, Lesson 11's homework on the first page. On problem number 1, the directions state, first find a common unit, then subtract. So we're going to look at 1a, and we have a half minus 1/5. So we need to go ahead and find a common denominator between the two. So if we go through, we count by 2's, and we count by 5's, we can go ahead and count 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. If we count by 5's, we can count 5, 10. So we can get 10 as a common denominator in both. So we're going to go ahead and make each of them out of 10. So let's make a half equivalent. So we're going to think, how can we get from 2 to 10? So it's going to be multiplying by 5. Whatever you do to the denominator, do to the numerator. And 1 times 5 is 5. So 5/10 is the same as a half. Same thing on the bottom. 5 times 2 is 10. Whatever you do to the denominator, do to the numerator. 1 times 2 is 2. So now we're just going to go ahead and subtract. We're going to take 5 minus 2, which is 3, and it'll be out of 10. So the answer should be 3/10. So let's continue on to B. The problem is 7/8 minus 1/3. We're going to find a common denominator. So if we count by 3's and count by 8, we can get both of the denominators to 24. So we want to make them equivalent. So 8 times 3 is 24. Whatever you do to the denominator, do to the numerator. 7 times 3 is 21. We're going to think 3 times what number is 24? 3 multiplied by 8. Whatever you do to the denominator, do to the numerator. 1 times 8 is 8. So now we're just going to subtract. We're going to take 21 minus 8. So if I take 21 minus 8, I'm going to get 13, and it's going to be out of 24.